Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. If you're looking to increase your home's value without spending a fortune, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be walking you through 5 easy upgrades that can give your property a serious boost. Whether you're thinking of selling or just want to make your space more enjoyable, these simple improvements can make a big difference. So let's dive right in. First on our list is a fresh coat of paint. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but trust us, a little paint goes a long way. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to refresh your home and instantly make it look more modern and clean. Choose neutral colors like whites, grays, or light beiges. These shades make rooms feel more spacious and appealing to potential buyers. Plus, it's a DIY project that can be done over the weekend. Just imagine your walls going from drab to fab with minimal effort. Next up, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can completely transform a space, making it feel warm, welcoming, and much larger than it actually is. Swap out old fixtures for modern, energy-efficient ones. Adding dimmers is also a great touch. It allows you to set the mood, whether you're having a cozy night in or throwing a dinner party. And here's a bonus tip. Use LED bulbs to save on your energy bill and show potential buyers that your home is up to date with eco-friendly upgrades. Small change, big impact. Now, moving on to the kitchen, which is often the heart of the home. But don't worry, we're not suggesting a full kitchen remodel. That can get pricey. Instead, consider upgrading cabinet hardware and faucets. These little details can make your kitchen look sleek and modern without breaking the bank. Choose brushed nickel or matte black finishes for a trendy look. If you want to take it a step further, you could paint the cabinets for a fresh, updated feel. Trust us, these quick fixes will make your kitchen pop. Speaking of easy fixes, let's head to the bathroom. No need for a full renovation here either. Replacing old, tired caulk around the bathtub and sinks can do wonders. Not only does it make everything look cleaner, but it also shows that your home is well maintained. While you're at it, consider updating your shower head and faucets with more modern, water-efficient models. These are affordable changes that will not only appeal to buyers, but also help reduce your water bills in the long run. Finally, let's step outside for our last upgrade, curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior is the first thing people see. Keep it simple. Plant some fresh flowers, trim the hedges, and make sure the lawn is well maintained. A new mailbox or even just a quick power wash of the driveway and siding can make your home look brand new. Oh, and don't forget the front door. A fresh coat of paint in a bold, inviting color can make all the difference. Your home will stand out for all the right reasons. And there you have it. 5 easy upgrades that will boost your property value without blowing your budget. From fresh paint and lighting to kitchen tweaks and outdoor upgrades, these changes are sure to make your home more attractive, whether you're selling or staying. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home improvement tips from Elite Service Masters. See you next time.